Welcome to PHP e-commerce project tutorial for beginner. In the previous tutorial, we let the user see their own order product. So in this tutorial, we're going to let the admin see all the orders from the database. So let me just log out from here. Then let me just log in to the admin panel. I'll give the admin Gmail, then the password here, click on login. And there you can see currently we are in the admin panel. So first of all, here we're going to have an option called orders here, and when we click on that option, it will show us all the order made by the user. So for it, let's go to our code and we'll go to our admin folder, and inside admin folder, let's just create a file here. So the file name will be all_orders.php, Ctrl S, then save. So for now, let me just say here HTML, and in the body, let's say age on all orders. Let's set this. So what you need to do is that we need to go to the admin page.php first, and if we just go down, here you can see we have display underscore product.php. So here we're going to add one more li tag. Let me just say here li, and in this li we're going to say orders, and in this href we need to mention this all orders.php. So we're going to say here all_orders.php. If we now set this, and here you can see currently we are in the admin page.php. If you now set this, then refresh here, there you can see we are in the admin page.php, and there you can see we have the orders option. If you click on orders, it will take us to this page. But if you go to view product, there is no orders option. And if you go to add products, there is no orders option. So what we need to do is that we need to go to our code, and let me just copy this li, and we'll go to our add product.php, and we're going to add the li over here as well. Then we'll go to display products.php. Let's go down, and we have this view product option. Here we're going to say all orders, the orders. Let's go to update product as well, and here you can see all products. So here we're going to set orders. Let's set this, and if we refresh, there you can see in every page we'll see the orders option. So let me just go to the dashboard here. Let's say here admin page.php. So let's do one thing, that is when you click on dashboard, it will take us to the admin page.php. So for it, what you need to do is really simple. Let's go to admin page.php. So here you can see dashboard. So here we are going to say admin page.php. So let me just copy this, and I'm going to paste it in all the dashboard in all files. Here you can see add products. We'll go to add product and paste it here. We'll go to display product, then paste it here as well. Then we'll go to update product and paste it here as it. If we now set this, refresh, if we now click on dashboard, it will take us to this page. There you can see. So first of all, what we need to do is that when we click on orders, we have to see the admin page design here. So for it, what we will do is we'll go to our admin page.php here, and I'm going to copy everything from here. So Ctrl N, Ctrl C. Then we'll go to our allproducts.php, and I'm going to paste it whatever we just copied from the admin page.php from there. So I'll just press Ctrl V, and there you can see. So let me just remove this text from here, and let's say here H on all orders. Let's save it. Then let me refresh here. There you can see we have the design here. So let's go and create a table here, and in that table we're going to show the data from the orders table. So let's go back, and here we're going to mention that table tag, and in the table tag we're going to have the table row. Inside table row we'll have the table header. So let me just copy this, and let's say we'll show the, okay, let me just show you the database. Let's go to our SAM, then PSMadmin, and our database of PHP_ecom, and our table is this on orders. So from the order table, we're going to show the customer username, email, phone, address. the product title, price, image, and also the product status as well. All those options or all those columns. Okay. So let's go back to our project and let's go back to our code. So first of all, let's say we'll show the customer name. Let's say here customer name. Let me just say here TH and let me just copy this and I'll paste it. Let's say 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So after customer name, let's have the email. Then we'll have the customer address. Then customer phone number. Then we have the product title. Let's say here product title. This one will be product price. This will be product image and this will be product status. So the status will be whether the product is delivered or is in progress. So after the table header, let's mention another TR tag for the table data. Let's say here TD. Okay, for now, let's say here ABCD. Then let's copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Let's say 7 times. 5, 6, and 7. If we now set this, then refresh here, it will look like this because we already write the CSS for the table and table header and also the table data in the admin style or CSS over here. If we just go down, let me just show you. Here you can see we write the CSS for the table tag, then the TH tag, and then the TD tag. That's why it is automatically showing us this design. So right now what we need to do is that we need to show the data from the orders table from here. So how can we do it? This is really simple. For it, what we need to do is that let's go at the top and here let me just give the database connection. We said $con, then mysqli underscore connect. Then we'll set here localhost, comma, it will be root, comma, empty string. Then we need to mention our database name, which is PHP underscore ecom. So right now we are connected to the database. So let's go and write a SQL query. So let me just set here $SQL equal to, then we'll give to double quotation. Then we'll say here select, we'll get all the data from the order table. So we'll say select star form. We need to measure our table name, which is orders, and that's all. If we just write this, it will get all the data from the order table. Then let's declare another variable. Let's say $result equal to, we'll say mysqli underscore query. To first bracket, we'll say $con, comma, $SQL. So right now, using this $result, we'll be able to show all the data from the database table. So let's go down. And here you can see the TR tag. So before this TR tag, we need to write some PHP code. So we say here PHP opening, then the PHP closing. Then we set here while to first bracket. Let's declare a variable. Let's say $row equal to, we say mysqli underscore page underscore assoc. Then to first bracket, we say $result. Then we'll give to second bracket like this. So right now inside this to second bracket, we're going to write some HTML code. So for it, let me just close the PHP here. Then let me just start the PHP here again for the second bracket. So inside this, I'm just going to cut this TR from here and paste it over here. So let me just remove the ABCD from here. Let me just select those. So here, using the $row, we'll be able to get the data, right? So here, let me just give the PHP opening, till the PHP closing. Then we are going to set echo $row to third bracket, and this will be the first one is customer name. And in the database, here you can see we write customer name like this, username. So we need to set here user name. So I can just copy this directly. Let me just copy it and let me just select all those add-ons and paste it here. So after username, we have the email address, phone, product title, price, image and status. So let me just check the name or show you the name. Here you can see title, price, image, email, phone and address and status. So let's just write one by one. So after customer name, we have the customer email. So let's say there email, then this will be address, then this will be phone number, then we'll show the product title. Let's say that title, this will be the product price, and this will be the product image, but showing image a little bit of different. But for now, let's just show the image name here, and here we are going to show the status. Let's set this, and right now, if we just refresh here, there you can see we are able to see all that over here, all the username and that email address, phone, product title, price, the product image and status is by default in progress. So here we stop showing the image name. Let's show the actual image. For it, what you need to do is that here you can see we are showing the image. So let me just cut this from here, and I'm going to mention the image tag, and in the source we store our image in the product underscore image folder, and our this file is inside the admin folder. So here we need to give dot slash, then we'll mention the folder name, which is product underscore image, then slash, then we're going to mention this product PHP echo $row, and here this will be image, and let's mention the image width and height. So the product width, it will be 100, and the height, let's say it will be 100 as well, and there is a arrow gear. Let me just remove that. So we need to write it like this. So let's set this, and let me just refresh here, and there you can see it is showing us all the product image. So this is how we can show all the product data in admin panel for all users. So in the next tutorial, we'll let the admin change the product status from in progress to let's say deliver. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.